start till like September 15th, but where this is meat was the 9th, we dug them up a little early. So what we look for is 3 to 5 eyes on a division. So what I'm going to try to do is I wiggle these around a little bit, see if anything is loose, and there really isn't. So I'm going to have to find places to cut into this, and it's going to be quite severe the way I do this, but I'm trying to get pieces of it out so that I can see what's there and end up with some nice pieces with 3 to 5 eyes. So what I'm looking for right now is a good place to start.
What is an eye?
Oh, an eye, I'm sorry.
Like
right here.
Right there.
Those are going to be next year's stems and flowers if they do flower. Sometimes they'll flower the first year, and sometimes it takes 2 years. It depends on how big. And see if I can split this apart a little bit, and it'll give me something to work with. Okay, something is coming apart here, so that's good luck. Now, one thing I want to mention is that where this was just dug out of the ground, these big roots here are storage roots, and these little fine ones are feeder roots. And when you first dig it out of the ground, these are really brittle, so some of these are going to break off accidentally just because they're so brittle. So some of these may break that I didn't want to break, but usually I'll dig them up and let them set for 24 hours before I start working on them. Here's a piece right here that's quite loose, so I'm going to take that out and see. Yep, there's enough eyes. There's 3 eyes right there. I would like to have a little more storage root, but that's enough. That'll grow. Okay. So that's one to come apart right here. So I'll just help it a little bit. Over 10 years old. Could be older than that, but I'd say it's at least 10 years old. Okay, there's a piece. I'll look at that later. Might be able to divide that some more.
Is that when you'd want to divide them, or do you divide them each year?
No, not each year. You want to wait till they're 5 years old, probably.
At least 5?
Yeah.
Okay. And if
between 5 to 10 years.
If you weren't digging this up to divide.
Okay, we're getting some different pieces out of here. They're all just get intertwined. That's all. Yep. Pieces like that fall out. We just throw those away. I think this looks like I've done this a little bit, so I kind of guess where to cut. But you know, sometimes it takes some studying to find where the best place is to cut it. But one as big as this, it's really a lot of work to cut them apart. So you just look at the roots in there. So now I start looking to where I'm going to divide it.
Yeah.
Okay. Next victim. Storage root. So you can shorten these up a little bit, like that.
And it has to have a storage root.
It has to have some storage root because that's where it gets its energy from to produce flowers. So there's one, and there you can count the eyes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so there's quite a few eyes there, quite a few eyes. That's, that would grow too. Awesome. Yeah. These ones won't, these are just...
have a name?
This is a meat cleaver.
Is it? Just a regular standard meat cleaver?
That's a standard meat cleaver.
That's awesome.
Works great.